In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Instagram feed to Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to keep your website fresh and engaging by showcasing your latest Instagram posts directly on your site. Whether you're a blogger, an artist, or a small business owner, integrating your Instagram feed can elevate your online presence. So, let's dive in and get your Instagram connected to your Squarespace website in just about 5 minutes. First up, we need to go to the Squarespace website. It's where everything starts. Once you're there, you'll see the option to login. Go ahead and click on login to proceed. Squarespace offers a range of login methods, but for simplicity and ease, we're going to use the continue with Google option. After clicking on it, choose your Google account from the list presented to you. This should be the account you wish to use for your Squarespace site. Upon successfully logging in, your next move is to navigate to your specific Squarespace website. You may have more than one site under your account, so make sure you select the right one you intend to work on. Getting into the editing mode is our next step. Look for an edit option on your Squarespace dashboard. This is where you'll make the magic happen by tweaking and adding new elements to your site. Once you're in the editing mode, your Squarespace site becomes a canvas ready for your creativity. The core action of this tutorial is to add an Instagram block to your site. To do so, find and click on the Add Block button. Among the array of blocks you can add, you'll find the Instagram block. Click on the Instagram block to select it. This block is what allows your site to display your Instagram feed beautifully. After selecting the Instagram block, you might need to fine-tune its appearance or settings. Look for an edit icon on the Instagram block. Clicking this will open up settings where you can personalize how your Instagram feed will appear on your site. Now, the crucial part is linking your Instagram account to this block. You'll be prompted to choose an Instagram account to link. Go ahead and select the account whose feed you wish to display on your website. It's essential to ensure that this is the correct account because it's the content from this Instagram account that will be visible to your site's visitors. The final action in this straightforward process is to click on Save. It's a small but significant step. By saving, you're confirming all the changes and integrations you've made. It ensures your Instagram feed is live and embellishing your Squarespace website. And there you have it, just a few simple steps and your Squarespace website now beautifully showcases your Instagram feed. It's a powerful way to keep your website connected with your social media activities and ensures your visitors have something new and exciting every time they visit. Remember, the integration doesn't just enhance your website's visual appeal, but also aids in growing your Instagram following. Every time you update your Instagram, your website gets updated automatically. It's an effortless way to maintain fresh content on your site. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Integrating your Instagram with your Squarespace site is a fantastic way to enhance your online presence and engage with your audience. Happy editing, and here's to a beautiful, content-rich website.